It is a thing, boy. OVS. It is a thing, boy. OVS. It is a thing, boy. OVS. It is a thing, boy. OVS.
What's going on, y'all? This your boy Samson from OVS Inc. We here today just to balance Omele. As you know from the first video, I'm doing this to help those who don't know how to balance these instruments at churches or shows. It's just a reference for you to look at to help you understand how to do it. So today, for the Omele drum, we have our brother, Mr. Emmanuel Bayo Jr., commonly known as EJ.
How y'all doing? My name is EJ, Emmanuel Bayou, probably known as EJ, and I play the Omele drum, and yeah, I'm excited to be here.
All right, thank you, EJ. So let's get right into it.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're here to do the Omele drum. So EJ, if you don't mind, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the Omele channel line that we're using. And this is soloed because that's the mic I'm using, so I can hear myself in the headphones as well, because I'm actually using the headphones to balance him. So you're probably hearing him from the bleed onto my mic, but I'm about to send him into the mix now. You should be hearing him any moment from now. So, yeah. So this is the Omele, pretty much flat on the EQ, no nothing, it's flat. So, we all from this point you can tell, it sounds okay, but we can definitely make it sound a lot better. So, first of all, with Omele, I start off with my low cut. We all know what low cut does, takes out the low end frequencies on whatever signal that you want to put in, that you're putting in. So we're rolling it over some more, rolling it some more. So this is as far as it's gonna go. But you don't want to cut off too much, because you also want to get some of the patterns. Like listen to it without it and with it. My preference, I like it somewhere around here. Or a little bit. Yeah, like right there. So it's all on the engineer, you know what I'm saying, on your preference, where you want to put it, what you want to hear. So me, from what I understand about this drum, this is where I think it sounds best. So now we're just going to clean it up, messing around with the EQ. Let's give it some highs, give it some more attack. Then as you can see on the diagram, it's a really strong signal around between 1K and 2K. So we're going to cut it a little bit. And then also another one somewhere around 514 hertz. So we're going to take that out a little bit. Right? I think that sounds pretty good for a Omele drum. Let's take off the EQ. That's it without the EQ. All the changes we made. And now with. Definitely a big difference. So yeah, this is pretty much in a nutshell how I would balance the Omele drum in my mix. All right. So that's pretty much how I balance the Omele drum. I want to give a big thanks to our brother EJ for helping us out today.
My pleasure.
EJ, you have any words for the people?
Yeah. Like he said, this is to help you guys, so I'm just happy to do it. Follow him on all his pages. The link should be in the description. And if you need any sound reinforcements, like my brother Sam said, hit up OVS.
Thank you, E. Like I said last time in the comments, put any other instruments you want me to show you how to balance, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Peace.
It is a tango, OVS. It is a tango, OVS. It is a tango, OVS. It is a tango, OVS.